Number 463. Martin buys 200 shares of stock XYZ at $10.46 and 800 shares at $4.85. What is his average cost per share? So we want to calculate another weighted average. But let's think about this conceptually. What is the midpoint of these two prices? If you add up 485 and 1046, if you add them up and divide by 2, you'll get 7.655, which we could round to $7.66. Now, do you think the weighted average is going to be the midpoint, or will it be between the first two numbers or the last two? Which of these two numbers carries more weight? Now, notice that Martin, he buys more shares at the lower price than at the higher price. Therefore, the 485 is going to carry more weight than the $10.46. So the average is going to be between these two numbers. Now, will the weighted average be closer to 485 or 7.66? What would you say? Notice that these two numbers are nowhere close to each other. They're pretty far apart. So because they're vastly different, the weighted average is going to be close to $4.85 than to $7.66. So just by seeing it that way, we know it's going to be less than C, and it's likely going to be close to 485, so I will go with answer choice A. So here's the formula that we could use. The average price is going to be the first price times the number of shares bought at that price plus the second price times the number of shares bought at that price divided by the total number of shares purchased. So P1, that's $10.46, and Martin bought 200 shares at that price, plus P2, $4.85, and he purchased 800 shares at that price. And we're going to divide it by the total number of shares, which is 1,000. $10.46 times 200 will give us $2,092. So that was his initial investment, or his first investment. And then 4.85 times 800. This represents his second investment into this company. So when we add up $2,092 plus $3,880, we get his total investment of $5,972. That's the total amount of money that he put into this particular stock. And if we divide it by the total number of shares that he bought, we'll get the weighted average. So the average price per share is 5.972, which we could round to $5.97. So it's going to be answer choice A.